Hey everyone, thanks so much for joining us here again today. I'm your host, Jared Taylor. I'm joined by Rob MacNaughton, the CEO of Curve Health, to talk about their latest 12 million Series A raise announcement. Rob, how are you today?
I am well. Nice to be back,
Yeah,
Jared.
glad to have
Thanks
you
for having
back.
me.
It's been a couple months. Saw you at the health conference in Boston, which was great. And
Hmm.
I mean, you were always, I was always seeing your posts and everything in the feed, and then I saw the raise, and I'm like, oh, we need to have Rob back on to talk about this. And I remember when I met you there, you were having some of those conversations, and it was starting off. So full circle. So really excited to have you back on. Would love if you could talk to us a little bit about the raise, the excitement with the team, and then maybe tell us a little bit about who invested, who led, and we'll go into some other areas.
Well, certainly. So, yes, earlier this month, we announced the raise of our $12 million Series A. And so that now brings us up to a total of 18 million. We'd raised $6 million in our seed round. And yeah, we are just honored to be able to kind of continue forth on our journey to helping vulnerable populations have better treatment in place options. And so we uh, we had the firm Morningside lead our round, and we also had a couple of new investors join in this round as well. Most notably, Alumni Ventures and Recover Care, who is a phenomenal strategic partner with incredible assets in this space, and we're very much looking forward to partnering with them. And then also excited and proud to say all of our institutional investors from our seed round came on in the Series A round, including Lightspeed, who led our seed round, uh, Vituity and their investment arm Inflect, IDEO, Rosecliff, Capor, Correlation, and Western Technology Investments. And so for us, the focus now is all about execution and implementation, and building out the team as we've earned this right to grow. And so as we come into 2022, we have agreements with a couple of dozen skilled nursing facilities and provider groups. And now it's just a matter of really ramping up. We have line of sight into a couple of hundred based on those relationships and those partnerships. And yeah, this is a year about really exciting uh, strides and momentum on the go-to market and implementation.
And in terms of if there's anything you want to announce here, like any key hires that you're looking to make, either coming up or right now, feel free to announce it. If not, uh, no worries. They'll be able to go to your website and see your open positions.
Well, I'll take you off of that kind of offer. We are growing, and we have projections to grow quite rapidly, and so I would urge people, if interested, yes, go visit www.curvehealth.com, and we do have a jobs opening a spot on the site, and that is usually updated with our latest job openings.
Well, Rob, I want to thank you so much for joining us. We keep these short and sweet. We just like people to hear from you about the Rays and kind of what's going through your mind and the team's mind and the excitement around that. And really appreciate having you on. Hopefully, we'll have you on again soon. We're starting to do some deep dive conversations with multiple people in the same space too, to kind of just come together in like a council type format or a roundtable type format, rather. Would love to have you on one of those at some point as well.
Absolutely. Enjoy these connections. So thank you very much, Jared. I really appreciate it.